Did you know your beloved pets could be at risk from common houseplants, but some are 100% safe and even stylish? Today, I'm revealing 7 non-toxic houseplants that are totally safe for your cats and dogs, and your pets will actually love them. Stick around because number 4 is a total game changer. 1. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Did you know one of the easiest houseplants to grow is also completely safe for your furry friends? The spider plant is a classic beauty with long, arching leaves and tiny spiderettes that dangle from the main plant. Cats and dogs can nibble without danger. Though too many leaves might give your pet a mild tummy upset, it's completely non-toxic. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but they're forgiving if your room doesn't get much sunlight. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and you'll see those little spiderettes multiply quickly. They're perfect for propagation or simply adding a playful vibe to your home. For your pets, these dangling baby plants are irresistible. Cats love batting them around, and it gives them a safe, interactive indoor activity. Plus, spider plants help purify the air, improving the environment for you and your pets alike. Pro tip, keep them in hanging baskets or on a high shelf to let your pets enjoy without overwhelming the plant. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly, pet-safe houseplant that looks amazing in any room, the spider plant is a must-have. 2. Areca Palm, Dipsis lutescens. Looking to add a tropical paradise vibe to your home without putting your pets at risk? The Areca Palm, also called the butterfly palm, is your answer. Completely non-toxic for cats and dogs, it's a safe way to bring lush greenery indoors. Areca palms love bright, indirect light and thrive in well-draining soil. Regular watering is key, but don't overdo it. Overwatering can lead to root rot. As the plant grows, its long fronds create a natural, decorative hideout or jungle-like space where your pets can explore safely. For your curious cats, those arching leaves are perfect for playful pawing. Dogs enjoy lounging near these palms, adding a sense of calm and shade in sunny rooms. Beyond aesthetics, the Areca Palm improves indoor air quality, removing toxins and adding humidity, especially great for dry homes. Pro tip, position the palm where it can catch indirect sunlight and rotate occasionally to ensure even growth. If you want a pet-friendly tropical look without any risk, the Areca Palm is an absolute must-have for any animal-loving household. 3. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. Imagine a lush green fern that not only beautifies your home, but is completely safe for your cats and dogs. The Boston fern is soft, vibrant, and non-toxic, making it perfect for homes with curious pets. These ferns thrive in indirect light and love humidity, keep their soil consistently moist, and mist occasionally to replicate their natural tropical environment. Overwatering isn't ideal, but they're fairly forgiving once you establish a routine. Your pets will adore brushing against the soft fronds or exploring around the plant. Cats often enjoy hiding under the fronds, giving them a fun, safe indoor adventure. Boston ferns are also natural air purifiers, filtering toxins from your home while adding that lush, jungle-like aesthetic. Pro tip, avoid placing them in direct sunlight. It can scorch their delicate fronds. Also, a fern and hanging basket or elevated stand creates a safe space for pets while making your decor pop. For pet-friendly greenery that adds elegance and a natural vibe to any room, Boston ferns are an absolute winner. 4. Parlor Palm, Chamadora elegans. Want a houseplant that's elegant, low maintenance, and totally safe for your pets? Meet the Parlor Palm. This small, graceful palm is non-toxic to cats and dogs, making it perfect for pet-friendly homes. Parlor palms tolerate low to medium indirect light, making them ideal for living rooms or bedrooms. Water moderately, soil should remain slightly moist but never soggy. They're slow growing, so patience will reward you with delicate, arching fronds that bring serenity and style indoors. Cats can bat gently at the leaves, and dogs enjoy lounging nearby without any risk. The Parlor Palm also contributes to air purification, helping maintain a fresh and healthy indoor environment for you and your pets. Pro tip, rotate the plant occasionally to ensure even growth. Pair it with other pet-safe plants for a mini indoor jungle that looks stunning and safe for furry friends. 5. Calathea. Looking for a plant that's eye-catching, safe, and interactive for your pets? The Calathea fits perfectly. Its patterned leaves are mesmerizing, and it's completely non-toxic to cats and dogs. Calatheas prefer medium to low indirect light and high humidity. Keep the soil slightly moist but not waterlogged. The leaves often move during the day, opening in the morning and closing at night, a phenomenon called nyctinasty, which can fascinate both humans and pets. Cats love to sniff or gently paw at these leaves, while dogs enjoy lounging nearby. Beyond aesthetics, Calatheas improve indoor air quality and bring a tropical feel to any space. Pro tip: mist regularly to maintain humidity and keep leaves vibrant. Avoid placing in direct sunlight to prevent leaf burns. For a striking, pet-friendly indoor plant that's almost like living art, Calathea is an unbeatable choice. 6. Ponytail Palm, Bokernia recurvata. Want a plant that's unique, durable, and safe for your pets? The ponytail palm is a perfect conversation starter. Its bulbous trunk stores water, making it drought-tolerant and completely non-toxic for cats and dogs. It thrives in bright light and only needs occasional watering. Overwatering is a common mistake. Let the soil dry out between sessions. Its long, curly leaves create an exotic look and provide a safe, fun space for pets to explore without risk. Pet perk: cats may play with the curly leaves, and dogs love the shade it provides. Plus, it's virtually indestructible, great for homes with playful pets. For pet-friendly decor with minimal effort and maximum style, the ponytail palm is a must-have for both aesthetics and pet safety. 7. Houseplants. Looking for a small, succulent option that's completely safe for your pets? Houseplants are perfect for tabletops, shelves, or small spaces. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, they're a safe choice for curious paws. These succulents need bright, indirect light and minimal watering. Well-draining soil is essential to avoid root rot. Their compact size and slow growth make them ideal for pet-friendly homes where curious cats or dogs might explore. Pet perk: Houseplants can safely sit near your pets without worry, providing greenery without the risk of ingestion. For a tiny, low-maintenance, pet-safe plant, Houseplants is an excellent choice that adds charm to any corner of your home. Now you have 7 beautiful, non-toxic houseplants that look amazing and are completely safe for your cats and dogs. Which one would you add to your home first? Comment below and let us know which plant your pets would love the most.